If you're living in Spain and holding assets abroad, bank accounts, property, or even Bitcoin, you've likely heard of Modelo 720. But as of the last couple of years, there's a new player in town. Modelo 721. One is for traditional assets, the other is specifically for crypto. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know for the 2026 tax season. What are Modelo 720 and 721? First, let's clear up a common myth. These are informative declarations, not taxes. You aren't paying money when you file. You are simply telling the Spanish tax agency, Hacienda, what you own outside of Spain. Modelo 720 is the classic form. It covers traditional assets like bank accounts, stocks, and real estate. Modelo 721 is the newer form specifically for virtual currencies, cryptocurrencies, held in foreign exchanges. The goal is transparency. Hacienda wants to know what's out there so they can cross-reference it with your income tax later. The €50,000 rule. The magic number for both forms is €50,000. For Modelo 720, you must file if any of these three categories exceed €50,000 as of December 31st. Accounts, bank balances. Investments, stocks, bonds, life insurance. Real estate, foreign property. For Modelo 721, the rules are similar but focused on crypto. If the total value of your crypto held on foreign exchanges, like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, exceeds €50,000 on December 31st, you must file. Pro tip: if you filed before, you only need to file again if your balance in a category has grown by more than €20,000 since your last declaration. The cold wallet exception. This is where Modelo 721 gets interesting. The law specifically targets crypto held in custody, meaning someone else, an exchange, is holding the keys for you. If you use self-custody, like a hardware cold wallet ledger, Trezor, or a private software wallet where you hold the private keys, you generally do not have to file Modelo 721. Why? Because technically, those assets aren't held abroad by a third party, they are in your personal possession. However, be careful. If you move that crypto back to an exchange before December 31st and it's worth over €50,000, the obligation returns. Deadlines. Both forms share the same deadline, March 31st. You must report your holdings for the previous year between January 1st and March 31st. Remember, reporting these assets doesn't mean you pay tax on them now, but if you sell them later for a profit, you'll need to report those gains on your annual renta, income tax. Visit our Spain Expat tax page for a complete guide to the Modelo 720 and Modelo 721. There you'll find the official forms and a clear list of the data you need to provide. If this video helped clear the air, hit that like button and subscribe for more expat tax tips. Got a question about your specific crypto setup? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay tax savvy.